welcome back to my channel. It's your girl, Carsey Denise. If this is your very first video, thank you for stopping by. I hope and I pray, okay, that before you leave, the Lord touches your heart. And you hit that subscribe button and that notification bell, so you'll be notified whenever your girl drops a video. I feel it. And you become part of the family. If you are a returning family member, what up, cousins? You already know how we do it, okay? So as you guys have read from the title, this is another Amazon Prime wig review. And I did review this company, I want to say like a month ago or so. And I really love the unit that I got from them. So if you want to see that review, I will definitely leave that link down below, so that way y'all can check that one out. But this one here is from BLY on Amazon. It is going to be their straight 10-inch bob, 100% human hair, 150% density. This is the box that she comes in. Okay. And inside the box, you are going to get your wig and a wig cap. So this is the unit right out of the packaging. It is a full lace, so you're gonna have ear-to-ear lace. Really good parting space as well, you can see that. Okay. And she's gonna come with your standard combs. You're gonna get one in the middle, two on the side, one in the back, and adjustable straps. This hairline is looking really good. Okay. So yeah, let's figure out together how we are going to style her. Guys, so I'm done styling this unit, and I kind of kept it simple because y'all know I'm not an expert. So I wasn't gonna try to embarrass myself by being all fancy smancy, okay? So I kept it simple with the middle part, and just decided to sleek it behind my ears. And yeah, this is what we got. The hairline looks amazing. The parting looks amazing. The hair is super soft. Like, BLY never does wrong when it comes to their wigs. I'm sorry. The proof is in the pudding. Check out the video down below. Okay? So, yeah, the cap fits nice. I didn't have to, I didn't have to be glue it down. Like, it laid super flat on its own. So, yeah, I am like super impressed. And look at that bounce, honey. Okay? Look at that bounce, honey. It's my lip gloss that gets stuck out. Not the hair. It's the lip gloss. So, yeah. If you guys are interested in purchasing this unit, I will definitely leave the link down below so that way y'all can check her out and get your hands on her. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Again, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And I will see you guys on my next video.